Hey, we just finished up a really special car, 1976 Camaro. This car came to us as a completely stock 352 barrel automatic. Now we went full sleeper slash daily driver on this one. 383 stroker, Tremec, 5-speed conversion, frame connectors, 373 posi, suspension rebuild and upgrade. I want to bring my YouTube family along for the ride, walk you through the build, show you the finish out. And with that sound, you know it's not stock any longer. This is just a really beautiful car for a simple white plain Jane. Yeah, it's going to make a really nice sleeper. No rear spoiler, rally wheels, no hood scoop. All right, let's get into this and show you what we've been working on here at the shop. 3D3 stroker blueprint engine. Now we went through all of the AC system. We had to install our VIR eliminator kit, valve in receiver, and we've done some other work to the AC system, made it all functional. Aluminum radiator. We picked some chrome accessories that it would have had in the 80s. Let's get this breather off of here and show you what we've got underneath. Now we did a video on that one wire alternator, how to do that. Ceramic coat headers, HEI distributor. We went completely through the brake system, updated and upgraded. And we're running a Holley carburetor on this blueprint engine. The blueprint engines, if you're in the market, we're not affiliated in any way, but that is our choice of crate engines. They are awesome. We've added new tools and equipment to the store, GUZZIfabrication.store. Link is in the description. And let's take a look underneath. Like I said, ceramic coat headers. Now we rebuilt the entire front and rear suspension. We upgraded with tubular upper and lower control arms. Install our mini starter, and there is a shot of a Tremec 5-speed. Now we did a conversion from an automatic car to a standard car, as well as installing a complete true dual exhaust system. And those Global West subframe connectors, yep, there they are. That's where they connect to the rear of the subframe in the front to the unibody in the back. Now let's take a look underneath. Now originally I had a 273 gear open rear end. We installed a 3 Series carrier with positive track with 373 gears. Yeah, this thing's really going to do well on the street. New rear springs, because we wanted the stance to be perfect on this car. There's a shot of those Global West subframe connectors again. Some pretty hefty exhaust. And here's another shot of that Tremec and a custom cross member. Wish this car was mine. Wait until you see the interior. Okay, now this had a console. We had to remove it because we installed the 5-speed and we put a smaller cover. So we had to upgrade with new carpet, floor mats. But other than that, this is the interior that it came with. Very, very nice. Like I mentioned, this car is a real survivor. It must have lived most of its life in a garage, being well cared for. Even the headliner is nice. And this is the type of performance upgrades that we do here at Guzzi Fabrication. Crate engine, suspension work, rear axles, and we also do 4-wheel drive and custom motorcycles. Really appreciate the owner of the car letting us be involved in his project. Can't wait until he sits in that seat and starts it up for the first time. Just a beautiful car. Everything turned out really well. Everything looks just really, really stock. Hey, I'm glad you guys came along for the ride. This is one Camaro that you don't want to miss. And it's time to go back inside and plastic to be put over it until the owner gets here. Check out all the new projects we put in the store. GuzziFabrication.store. Like, subscribe, leave some comments, and as always, thank you for watching.